Hi everyone. Today I am here to discuss what are that three reasons that people avoid for the dental X-rays. So let me make you clear. By the way, myself Dr. M. Charan Kumar, founder and managing director of Elident Hospitals, located in Hyderabad at Kondapur and KPHB. So the most common reasons that the people try to avoid the dental X-rays are, first one is the irritation or the gag reflex. Means we'll be keeping a small plastic plate like one, which will be very small with this much size only, which will be keeping beside the tooth, which will give some gag reflex. Some patient may get the vomiting like feeling, that we call it as a gag reflex, and it will be irritating. So that is one of the reason people try to avoid. But nowadays, due to the increased digitalization or increased technology in the field of dentistry, the size of those sensors or the plastic plate like things are very smaller, and we use particular proper barrier film which will be very smooth like the gloves of our hands, and which will not be irritated. And for the gag reflexes also, we will train them properly, and we will go for the dental X-rays, so which can avoid, and we will be giving the more comfortable experience with the intraoral dental X-rays. And when we go with the low dosage digital X-rays as panoramic or any CBCT, you no need to open the mouth or keep any sensor inside the mouth. Only you are supposed to stand at the X-ray machine, which will rotate around your head and captures all the needed information. So, and the second one comes with the fear of radiation dosages. So here, even in my last video also I explained about the clearly radiation dosages. The dental X-rays will use very low radiation, which is 1/100th of the any chest X-ray or any spine X-ray which we take for regular general health checkup. And next comes, already we have installed the digital X-rays which will use the very low radiation and very less effect, very less exposure to the radiation time also, not more than the 30 seconds. So the next comes the usage of the shields. We will be using the complete body lead shield as well as the thyroid shield while taking the X-rays. So no need to go for the fear of the radiation exposure and its after effects. So the next comes the cost. See, even the cost wise also, dental X-rays were very much pretty costlier in the in 4 to 5 years ago, because of the price of the equipment and everything, and due to the increased technology and everything, the prices are also coming down. Earlier when we used to go for the full mouth 3D imaging, it will be 4,000 or 5,000 depending on the areas and everything, and now it will be more cheaper than 1,500 to 2,000 rupees, which is a little bit better one. And next, I want to make it clear, just the prices charged for the X-rays are just for the maintenance of the equipment, and I don't think so any dentist will get so much income or so much money with the X-rays. We prefer X-rays just to give a very precise diagnosis, and if at all any initial stages treatments are there, they can be easily completed, and to provide you a healthy smile. Hope you got all the details clear about the why people are afraid or people try to avoid the dental X-rays. If you find the content, kindly share in your groups, and if you have any questions, just let us know in the comment box. We will be getting back to you in another 24 hours. Thank you. Good day.